The social media effect on home buying. A new report from Bank of America highlights how Instagram is helping drive millennials to buy their first homes. And it's all because of FOMO, fear of missing out. Joining me now is Steve Boland, Bank of America Head of Consumer Lending and Managing Director. 25% of first-time millennial buyers said they had FOMO when they look at social media posts.
I'll tell you, it's interesting right now. Everyone is sharing everything on social media, and they're thinking, wow, my friend's getting a house, or they're looking at a house. How can I get in on that?
And how have the real estate companies and the lenders gotten on board with that? How are you serving that customer?
Yeah, well, you know, the interest is where it starts, right? So first of all, they're starting their home search and everything online, on mobile. And so we're saying we've got to be there too, make sure we're helping with the other parts. Obviously, as a bank, we want to help them with financing and how they can make that process easier.
Well, FOMO is the pervasive apprehension that others might be having a rewarding experience from which they are absent. So I've been afflicted numerous times, but I think the interesting aspect of this is that this is more of a long-term FOMO, right? FOMO is really, are you going out, going to dinner, things like that. How do you service it seems like this is a completely different clientele that is sort of basically has student debt on their hands. They're trying to get their first-time home. Are they going for 5% down, 10% down?
Basically, are you giving them loans?
Yeah, basically, yeah. Are you giving FOMO crowd money?
Well, the key with the FOMO crowd, it's not just giving them loans. It's how do you prepare them if they're not ready? And so we do everything from a type of account that says save for a goal. So if I don't have enough money for a down payment, how can I help you? We do better money habits. How can I get my financial house in order? And then most recently, we've now launched our digital mortgage experience that says, now how can I make that daunting mortgage experience easier for you?
Too bad they can't increase inventory, which is something you brought up in the commercial break.
What I'm hearing now, and I was with the CEO of Pulte the other day in Atlanta, and my sense is inventory is getting very scarce. Therefore, prices are going up. Lumber prices are going through the roof. They're having a tough time getting labor. I mean, what are you seeing, and how is that affecting your evaluation on loans for property that might become overpriced and we get upside down again?
Sure. So clearly we all know inventory is tight, and not just in one locale, it's in a number of locations, right? And so again, it kind of comes back to this discussion that people are having online, which says, wow, I see someone getting that home and I've been searching forever and I can't seem to find something that's in my price range. I think as it relates to valuations, you know, I think the industry has gotten very, very good, and we have gotten very, very good at making sure that we're doing a really good job looking at an independent valuation, making sure that we're not getting overheated, and managing our risk appetite.
To that point, and by the way, 65% of first-time buyers are millennials, according to the National Association of Realtors. In what housing markets is it toughest to get a loan because of the valuations? Well,
you know, it's a combination, right? You've got valuations, you've got, what the available housing stock is, so it's both price. So obviously we know on the coast we see the highest priced homes, right? And so I think that's going to be the harder area for people to find, as well as just inventories. So I live in Charlotte, and inventory is very tight in Charlotte, and so really you see that dynamic happening.
Right. You've got to live north of Davidson, North Carolina, if you know that we were talking about it. Literally part of Charlotte, you have to go about an hour outside of Charlotte now in terms of the commute.
But that said, we're seeing a lot of activity, and so I think people are interested in home ownership and getting in on it, but they have to spend a little bit more time, work harder on it.
Steve, good to see you. Thank you so much for being here, Steve Boland.